You may or may not believe me, but complete beginner piano players can play songs. And back when I used to teach private piano lessons, I would always get my students to play a song within their very first lesson. Because if you can play songs, you can have fun. And isn't the point of learning to play the piano to play songs? So why not get started right away? In this lesson, I've got 4 songs that are absolutely perfect for beginners. They're very simple, and I'm going to teach you how to play them in their most simple forms. I've got chord charts attached below so that you can print them off at home if you want and learn to play these yourself. The first one we're going to do is the Cup song from Pitch Perfect. It's an adorable song, it's very easy to play, and it's in the key of C. So all you need to do is create a fifth, don't worry, I'll tell you what that is, on C. So you're going to take your thumb, find C, it's just below this group of 2, boom. Now, if you put each finger over top of a key, you'll notice that you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So if you play the 1 and the 5, this is called a fifth. And it's the gateway to chords. So a chord chart is essentially lyrics with little letters above them that tell us where to place our hand. So when you see C, you place your thumb on C, and you play this fifth. And you can just do your right hand. If you want to make it a little more exciting, take your left hand and just play the bottom note, or the note that matches the letter on your page. So, I've got my ticket for the long way round. Now we see an F, so we're going to take this whole party, move it to F. So now my thumb is on F, got that 5-finger space, this guy's on F, to follow whiskey for the, now we see a C, so we come back down, way, and now A has an M beside it. You can learn about that later on. It stands for minor. Don't worry about it right now. Just put your thumb on A. But, and, same things. And I sure would move to G, like some, move to F, sweet company. But I'm back to A, leaving G tomorrow, what do you say? And that's the song. So it's gonna be really bumpy at the beginning, but once you get it, just play the chords where they land over the words. I've got my ticket for the long way round, to bottle whiskey for the way. And it doesn't matter where you play these, just find the key that matches for your thumb. And I sure would, you can play G here, like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? So you can follow along for the rest of the song. That's when I'm gone. So easy. So if you can sing along, you can play those notes, you can play the song. Number 2 is Hello by Adele. Now I love this one because it only has 4 chords. I've transposed it in this chart, so because the original key is kind of tricky. This one takes us out of the key of C, but if you're just playing my little cheater fifths, it doesn't really matter for this one. So stick with me here. First one you see is E with an M beside it, standing for E minor. Like I said, we'll learn about minor chords in another lesson. For now, just place your thumb on E and find the note that's 5 above. That's all you gotta do. And then you gotta go to G. So the party moves to G, and then D, and then C. So practice that over a bunch of times, and then you can start singing. Hello, it's me. I can't do that with a straight face. I was wondering if after all these years you liked me. See how simple this is? Now if you are a little more advanced, you want to play a real chord, add the middle. So that's this 3rd finger to go over everything. For a D chord, you need an F sharp in the middle, and then C. They say time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. I messed that up, but you get the picture. All you have to do is find the notes, create the shape, and move them around and sing along, and you're playing a song. And once you get kind of the hang of this, it gets even more exciting and fun the more you do this. So let's look at song number 3. Number 3, another oldie but a goodie, Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars's early stuff is so simple to play. So we've got Just the Way You Are in the key of G, because again, it's a fairly simple key, so you got a G, and you got a whole line. So because you've got all these words in just one chord, you might want to kind of like hear the song and sort of get some rhythm. Then it goes to E. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. C. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. See, it's easy. Now let's try adding that middle tone in there. I know, when I compliment she won't believe me. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, ooh, that was the wrong chord. I say, we all make mistakes, nobody's perfect. But that's how you play just the way you are in its most simple form. And it's super fun and easy. So you can sing along to that one. I've got one more for you. It's a little bit more new. I've got one more for you, and that one is Someone You Loved by Louis Capaldi, which is another 4-chord wonder. We've got C, G, A minor, and F. Now this one's a little bit low for me here, but we needed to include something for the lower voices, so I'm gonna jump in at, I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, it's never the same. See how easy that is? Like 4 chords. Once your hands, talking and playing is super hard. Once your hands can do this, sky's the limit. And the next thing you know, you'll be playing deeply into nightfall. You know, it'll get crazy and fun. This is just a little taste. So enjoy learning these 4 songs for beginners. If you want more, we've got 500 songs in 5 days, which teaches way more. This is just, like I said, a little taste. They'll teach you how to make those chords a little more exciting. We've got 500 chord charts in there, so you can find the link for that below. Otherwise, happy practicing. Comment, let me know what you think, and have fun.